Hey, I'm Jay. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning into another video, and if you're new here, welcome. So let's just get into this initial review and install for this wig that was sent to me from Nadula Hair. So let's just hop right into the video. Okay, so I'm super excited because I was sent a wig from Nadula Hair on Amazon. So let's just open up the box. We have the wig, of course. We get, looks like two like wraps. It looks like it's two wraps. Let me just open it up and see. Oh, it's one. It's just two different colors. One long wrap for like your edges and securing your wig, and then you get some wig caps, and that's all that comes in the box. So let's open up the wig. So this is how the wig comes. It comes in a plastic bag, so that's great. And then the wig is in this net, and then it just comes with this little thing inside. All right, so let's get into the cap construction of the wig. All right, so here's the cap construction. It is a silk-based fake scalp middle part wig. So this area right here is the fake scalp area, and you can only do just the middle part with this wig. I don't think you can change up the part. It has two combs on the side, one right here and one right here. And it also has a comb in the back. It has the adjustable straps. So this is like a T-part wig with only a middle part in the wig. And you can see the wig is a highlighted wig, of course. You can see that the wig is a highlighted wig. So that's really cute. And this is what the part looks like. The cap size for this is a medium cap size, so that's 22.5 inches. It says it has 4 combs inside on Amazon, but I only see 3 combs. So this is a 14-inch wig, and it's 150% density. It's all human hair. It feels pretty soft. It smells like hair. Yeah, it smells like hair. It doesn't smell like chemicals or anything, but it doesn't smell like a shampoo either. It just smells like hair. It's not a bad smell. So because this is a silk-based fake scalp, I'm not gonna be able to bleach the knot. It'll probably look okay. On camera, it looks fine. Maybe you can see some knots. I'll have all the specs on this wig in the description box down below, so if you want to know anything about this wig, or if I forgot to mention anything, I'll go ahead and have that linked in the description box below. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit, and then come back with my first impressions of this wig, my thoughts of this wig, fresh out of the box, and give you guys my opinion on it. I am gonna go ahead and cut off the thicker sides of the lace before I put it on, because it'll just be easier to do that now and then wait until I try to apply the wig. This is what it's looking like fresh out of the box. You know, I haven't done anything to it. It feels pretty soft, and I am getting a little bit of shedding. If you can see that, there's a hair. Oh, some of this could be because I did cut off the lace in the back, and I did cut a little bit of the strand, so let me just focus on the front right now. Okay, so yeah, some of those strands is probably because I cut the lace off in the back. So to glue my wig down today, I'm going to be using my ORS Wig Grip Gel and the ORS Liquifix Spray. My two favorite products now for installing my wigs. Let's go ahead and get this glued down so I can style it because it's looking kind of crazy right now. Alright, so I went ahead and straightened the wig, and I didn't put these light layers in it. It already came like this, so I think that's really cute because when I was told, when Nadula told me they wanted to work with me and they were sending me a 14-inch wig, I was like, I wonder if I'll be able to put layers in it, but it's already like kind of layered. So I really love that. Less work for me. But I'm just waiting for my hot comb to heat up so I can flatten this at the top. But this is what we're working with right now. There are a lot of flyaways in this wig, a lot of flyaways, but I'll just use my flyaway tamer to go ahead and lay those down. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my elastic band. Alright, so I cut off the elastic, and of course some of the lace wasn't laid down, so I just went ahead and laid that down and tied this little scarf on there. And then I'm just gonna brush this and get my little layers showing. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. I actually like it. When I opened up the box and when I saw the wig and the colors, I was not sure that I was gonna like how it looked on me. But looking at it in my viewfinder, it looks pretty good, I think. And looking at it in the mirror, I think it looks good as well. Baby hairs for this look. Let me see if I want to do baby hairs. I kind of don't want to do baby hairs. Like, I feel like it looks fine, but it might look better with some baby hairs. Alright, there are some baby hairs. That was actually very quick. I usually take forever to do some baby hairs. Alright, so this is what we're working with. This is how it looks. I think it looks good. I actually really like it. Let me go ahead and give my thoughts on the wig. Pretty much my first impression, since this is the first time that I've worn the wig and install the wig. So first off, the longevity of this hair, it'll probably last you a minimum of 6 months, 6 months to a year. I feel like I take pretty good care of my wigs. I've had one human hair wig for 2 years now, and it still looks as good as it did the first day I got it. But I think this wig will last you a long time if you just take care of it. The price of this wig, let me pull up Amazon, costs $98.93, so $99 for this wig. Do I think this wig is worth $99 for a 14-inch, 150% density colored wig, human hair wig? Under $100 for a wig. It's already layered, which is great because I don't know about you guys, but I was very scared to try to put layers in my wigs. I was very afraid to do it because I'm just so scared of messing up a wig that I paid money for, a wig that I spent my own money on. Like, of course you don't want to mess up something that you purchased yourself. But it already comes with these layers in it, which I think is very nice. The wig is listed as 150% density. I do think the wig is kind of thin. This isn't all of the hair to the front. That's all the hair to the front, but it really wasn't much that was like in the back. So I think the wig is kind of a little thin for 150% density. Maybe it could have like a couple more tracks on it. I think you call them tracks. It is a bit thin, but for $99, I do think the wig is worth it for $99. Yeah, but it's really up to you to decide if you would be willing to spend $100 on this wig. The color is TL4/12. Clearly that's this cute highlighted color. I think it's really cute. I think it goes well with my skin tone. Like I said, I was a little hesitant. I didn't know if I was gonna like it at first, but I actually really like it. The more I look at myself, the more I like it. So this wig can take heat. I did 388 degrees on my flat iron, and on my hot comb I did it up to 300 degrees. It probably could go up to more, but I try not to put my wigs in the max heat setting, and I did use heat protectant as well, but it can take heat. So the texture of the wig is straight. The density, again, the density of this wig is 150% density. This is all of the hair brought forward. I do think it is a bit thin for 150% density. It probably could use a couple more tracks on there, but definitely we have spring coming up, we have summer coming up, so it won't be too heavy or too hot for you or anything like that. The cap construction, this is a silk base T-part wig, so you can only part it down the middle, and it has a silk base, so there was no need to like bleach the knots or anything like that. I just put a bit of concealer. I just put a bit of makeup on the part to blend it a bit better. I showed the cap construction in the beginning of the video. It has 3 combs, it has adjustable straps in the back. True to length, 14 inches. I have another wig that's 14 inches, and I feel like it's just a little bit shorter than this, so I would say this is true to length. Shedding. I did get a little bit of shedding when I was running my finger through the hair. I do think most of that shedding came from me cutting the lace off in the back, because I did cut a few pieces of hair off when I was cutting the lace off in the back, but I ran my hands through the front of the hair and I wasn't really getting any shedding. So it's light shedding, but it's nothing that's too crazy, nothing too alarming. Fresh out of the box, I didn't get any tangles or anything like that. Overall, would I recommend this wig? I definitely would recommend this wig. It's super cute. It's a realistic looking wig to me. It looks super cute. I really love the color. I actually wanted to get my hair colored kind of like this for the longest time, but I was just scared to do any type of bleaching or any type of damaging to my hair, so I never did it. So I like that I have a wig now that looks good on my skin tone, and I think it looks really cute. Overall, I would recommend this wig. I think it's really cute. It was very easy to install. It feels really good. It looks really good. It came with these layers, which is great, and it's a nice color job on the wig. I really do like it. And that took me by surprise a little bit, but I do like it, definitely. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would I give this wig? I'd give this wig a 9, only because just taking away 1 point or whatever, because I think it is a little thin. I don't think it is actually 150% density. And it also has a lot of flyaways. It has a lot of little flyaways. If you have a flyaway tamer or wax, that's no big deal, but you don't really want to get a wig with a ton of flyaways in it, and it does have a lot of them in there. So that's why I'm going to give this wig a 9 out of 10. Yeah. So that is it. That's my initial impressions of the wig. I, of course, will be doing an update on this wig once I wear it for a bit. That's it for the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have something to say, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more from me, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.